I'm going to discuss why do we need abstraction in Java. So here you can see this is the example already written. So this is without abstraction and this here with abstraction. So here the abstraction method has no any body part. So you can see this is the abstraction method. So it doesn't have any body part and this comes under abstract class. And now you can see here this is the example. So what exactly is the abstraction method? So one time you need to declare and you can use multiple times. So here you can see I used their cal here second times and third times I used. So you can use multiple times, but here this is a class and here cal1 is the method trying to use inside the class 2 trying to use or here class 3 trying to use and the class 4 cal method. Okay, so if I run, so here you can see this generate exception. So code does not have any problems but exception generate because here normal method you cannot use multiple times. So normal method is now here. This is not an abstract method and this is the normal method. So normal method you cannot on many times within different class. So here using extend class 1 property go to 0. So it's try to override. So for override you need to use here abstracts. So without abstract you cannot use one method multiple times. But this is your abstract. So one time this is declared there. Now you can use multiple times. So here you can see this is double x and here this is doing the multiplication or as doing the square. Here this is the doing the square root and this here doing the cube. And when I run this code, here you can get the expected output. Expected output here you can see. So this is here square 3. So here you can see 3 square 9, then after maybe 4 root 2 5q 25. This plus you can see here this is now 3 square 9 4 root q and 5 125. So with the help of abstraction, okay, we can use one class multiple times. So this here doing the override is there. So doing the override and here. So that's why we are using abstract class and abstract method. One class you can call multiple times. So there we can write one class we can call multiple times. Non-abstract we can't. If we do like this, there is the exception that generate. One time running again. Here one method calling many times with different class using extend. So this is generate exception. But here one class method, here method using multiple class with different classes using extend. So there is no any problem. It gives expected output. So this is the benefit of the abstraction in Java programming. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.